Welcome to Parsnips and Parsimony. Today we will be making a quick and easy microwave brownie in a mug. First of all, you take 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of flour and 1.5 tablespoons of oil with a little bit of vanilla, and then 2 tablespoons of baking cocoa. Then you add 1.5 tablespoons of water and a pinch of baking powder, not baking soda, and a pinch of salt, and then you stir it up real good. It likes to stick to the sides, so you try to get the sides. And then, last but not least, chocolate chips. And then you put it in the microwave for 1 minute, and then you have a lovely brownie in a mug. We microwaved it for 1 minute, and it should be cooked all the way through. If you like it more molten in the center, you want it a little more gooey, you can microwave it for a little less time, about 50 seconds. And there you have it, a brownie in a mug. That is a quick and easy microwave brownie in a mug.